Hello subscriber, today our topic topic is energy and the power and energy efficiency, and we have discussed about where to start with the design of electrical installation and how to install the electrical apparatus before the starting, what the things we have discussed before to install anything. So, and we also discuss about the kVAR, kilowatt, actual power, reactive power, and lagging factor and the reacting factors and the load analysis. Each and everything we have discussed in this. So please subscribe our channel to get the more videos like this and helpful knowledge for your career in a electrical system or in a technical knowledge. Please subscribe our channel, still not yet subscribe and already subscribe. So please comment below and also suggest any topic if you have a required. I will provide as soon as possible. So we are starting our topic, the design and the redesign of electrical installation. The power analysis must be always at the very top of your task. In the design of an electrical installation, it will be unable to the source to be sized according to the purpose of installation and continuous use of a circuit and the receiving to the supply. Based on the knowledge of a power consumed to choosing the service requirement and the choosing the source in the source, means it is required on what the consumer or what the customer are required, and based on the consumptions of a power and the what kind of apparatus are used on there. So the some of the points are here. Determination of a condition for a protection of a people, means a device has been installed, it is a protect for a human or a peoples, and other one is a calculation of a conductor cross section, means if one device is have a distance to the other device, means it consumes the very high loss like the resistance and other one. Protection of each level in an installation, means protection is here and there, means two apparatus has been installed, then the protection is required on a different points. Section of appreciating electric device and equipment, means selection of a device or appropriated, means what the requirement of a system and what device has been required. Power analysis and the calculation should be done in downstreaming to the upstreaming as well as from upstreaming to the downstreaming or that, and some of these are analysis of a load, actual diagram, cost factor of a displacement factor, the origin of a nature of a harmonic, means what the nature is, this type of a thing is suitable for or not suitable as per environment, current harmonic and the voltage harmonic. If one device is have a more distance, then what the effect is the voltage provide properly or not properly, element and that generate the harmonic, the cosine and the effective of harmonic, practical and incorrupting of a destroying of a power on the reactive power consumption, calculation of a current, utilization of factor and the calculation of power according to the load type and the power of a source and the power supplies. Analysis of a load. The load supplied by electrical installation can be various type and depend upon the business motive, power, variable units, lighting, heating, etc. What the devices are used here. Calculate all device and the watt the can voltage in the can kilowatt hours and then will be further designing has been required. Depending on the individual case of electrical operating parameter, phase shift efficiency and the arrest transist harmonic will be different. Power to be considered is not limited to the simple reading of a values in the watts. It will be simplified them into the watts. Reactive power or inductive load and also disturbing the power load consuming or a non-sinusoidal current must be included and may have a sufficient advice to the each energy efficiency and the reserve in the question. An absorption that will be leads the compensating to the unnecessary costly capacitors and the filters has been required on it. An electrical receiver consumes the total apparent power expressed in a voltage VA equal to the product of a VA has been supplied, but as it's a name to indicate the power in the whole appearance and it is not necessarily used to optimizing the way. Part of it does not be produce the work or a heat. This is the reactive power expressed in the voltage in the essentially due to the magnetization of magnetic circuits. Actual power in an electrical circuit consisting of several receivers through which the sinusoidal current passes. The total active power means consuming is equal to the authentic and the sum of electrical power consumed to the each device. Total reactive power kVAR or VAR consumed is an algebraic sum of reactive power and consumed by each device. Apparent power means must never added together an algebraic value to the total apparent power. S is calculated based on a quadratic sum of a P and the Q. These are the things has been decided in the during the designing and the redesigning of any electrical system or installation of a system. In other words, we have also described that equation has been in a segregation of a switch gears, segregation of a feeders and others. The greater number of a non-linear receivers, the higher of a disturbed current and the more visible efficient to the voltage wave and thus causing a deterioration in the quantity of energy distributions. Other solution would be used to the reactor and the harmonic filter to tune the third order of a harmonic. These both have an economic impact on the operation of installation following a deterioration of energy efficiency, destructed of a certain device and oversizing of a certain equipment and a portable production is losses. In the short term of a presence of a harmonic cases among the things, false stripping production devices and the disturbance into the low current system and the vibration and the abnormal noise consumes unit motors, extra consumption of a unit motor and the transformer and destructions of capacitors. In the longer term, the presence of a harmonic has been mainly a thermal deficiency, and the current overloaded and the additional temperature rises to continuously parameter agencies. The following is observed in a particulars: the temperature rise of a transformer and the electrical machine following additional losses has been done. Temperature rise of a conductor by an increase in ohmic and dielectric losses, and destruction of equipment in the capacitor and the circuit breaker. Means circuit breaker is frequently tripping, and that will be cause any damages and on that. So a properly required and inspection of a circuit has been required. Distorting of a power D is not therefore generally calculated itself. The power diagram is reduced to the 3-vector PQC, and is a part of a distorting of a power. Power D is calculated from active power using the power factor that will be downgraded. In an installation where the distortion of a component is a very high, data center, shopping center, etc., passive and active filter can be installed to correct the distortion of signals. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me. Still not yet subscribed. Thanks for watching my video.